Can
Hello.
you speak? Yeah.
Uh, yes, ma'am. Am I visible right now?
Yes, you're visible, audible, everything is good. Is it good from my side as well?
Yes, everything is good.
Okay, great. So, Pushpa, I think this is your third session, fifth session. Okay. You've just
Yes.
recently joined English Shari, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So tell me about yourself, Pushpa. Where are you from? What do you do?
Okay, as you know, my name is Pushpa, and I was born and grew up in Gadava, which is located in the state of Jharkhand.
Mhm.
If I talk about my education qualification, then I did my graduation,
Oh,
and right now I am pursuing a master with English honors, uh, English literature, and
okay.
simultaneously I have started recently working in the communication skills. That's all
Working on
about.
your communication skills. Okay, okay. English literature, quite interesting. Uh, so
Yes, ma'am.
what made you choose English literature as your uh,
Uh,
main?
Nothing special, but the thing is, I did my graduation with English, and that's
Huh.
why
Oh,
I choose this one also. And
okay.
I nowadays I'm thinking that if I'm doing this with English, then why don't I grow with it? With it, that's why I thought to work on it.
Okay. Great. So what are your future plans? What would you like to take up going ahead as a career? Any plans? Have you thought about it?
Yes, right now also I'm doing job as well
Oh, you're
simultaneously.
working. Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm working as a teacher, one non-organization, non-governmental organization, and there I am teaching English spoken as well and
Oh my
computer.
goodness.
Yes,
So you're already a spoken English tutor. So why are you here?
I'm not like I'm like try to improve myself, and I want to become best version of myself.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. There is always
Yes.
scope for improvement, right? Nobody is perfect,
Yes.
so there's always scope for improvement. Great.
Mm.
Okay. About myself, my name is Lamika, and I am into soft skills training, so which includes communication, presentation skills, interview preparation. So I work with college students on campus to corporate kind of programs, and I also individually mentor people. And English is one of my favorite languages right from my childhood. I love to read, and I have this passion for this language, so I like to help people with their English struggles. So that is why I'm here on this platform, and I get to meet a lot of different students from different parts of the country and the world, and I like that as well. I stay in Mumbai. I was born and raised in Mumbai. And prior to becoming a trainer, I was in the corporate sector. So, worked in the corporate sector for a very long time. I'm an ex media professional, but now I'm completely into training and I'm into freelance training. So, that is about myself,
Oh,
right?
that's great to hear you, ma'am. And I will also in future planning to like I want to become a professor. That's why also I'm working as English.
Very nice. Great, great. Nice. Right. So, how is it going for you here at English Ari? Is everything good? Is there anything specific aspect which you are looking at improving?
Ma'am, in English, yeah, first time I am connecting with the expert and Twitter also. Then
Okay.
I want to correct all my mistakes and I want to learn.
Okay. All right.
And because I'm living here and know any environment to speak English, that's why I'm not able to correct my mistakes. Sometimes
Yeah.
I'm correcting, but
Huh.
it is like not able to correct. Sometimes I'm speaking with like practice with AI also, and there is written feedback also. It has given to me.
Uh-huh.
That is
So,
how this is how
oh,
I'm improving
good,
myself.
good. You're doing your best, whatever way possible. You are doing your best. So, does AI? How is it with AI? Is it helpful? Are you finding it useful and helpful, or is that still a struggle? Because nowadays, a lot of students are using AI tools for learning languages. So, what's your experience like?
Yes, ma'am, it is helpful, but I am struggling with whenever I want give extempore, and
Okay.
I'm not able to frame sentences in a quickly. And sometimes, like I'm giving me a challenge for speaking like 2 minutes and 3 minutes continuously from one topic,
Hmm.
and I didn't able to get good words to speak.
Okay, vocabulary.
Yes,
That will
vocabulary.
take some time. It will not happen overnight. It will take some time to improve your vocabulary. Your video. Okay, something happened with your video, I guess. It, yeah, the video is getting frozen for a second, couple of seconds. Now it is fine. I think so. I hope it remains fine.
Y-
Can you? Is
Yes, but
everything good from my
ma'am,
side?
no, ma'am, you are not visible.
I'm not visible. I haven't put off my video. I don't know what has happened. Just give me a moment.
Yes,
How about now? Is it visible?
yes,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
great. So
And
I didn't. Huh? Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
And ma'am, for the vocabulary improvement, I have recently started to reading book as well. And I have read one book, that one, Believe in Yourself. And
Believe.
recently, yes, and from yesterday itself, I have started to read Attitude is Everything.
Sorry, which one?
Attitude is everything,
Attitude
ma'am.
is everything. Okay. So you are reading a lot of self-help kind of books.
Yes, ma'am, because I have read Believe in Yourself. Uh, I have read that book because I thought that I'm the person, I'm not believing myself. And that is how that book is helped me a lot to believe myself.
So has it changed your belief in yourself a little bit at least? That book
Yes, ma'am.
has
Yes, ma'am.
been able
Like
to do
minds of negativity, like always I'm the person, like if I talk about some different people and I believe, yes, he will do and she will do. But if I talk about for my, should I do or not, then always I thought that no, I can't do. And after
that?
the reading of this book, I believe in myself. I start believing a bit.
Okay. So when it comes to telling others or motivating others, you are very good at it. You always motivate, but when it comes to yourself, you are
Yes,
not able to believe
believe.
or motivate yourself. It happens because you know why? It's very easy to advise others, but when we
Yes,
have
yes, ma'am.
Gyan dena is very easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But, when we have to implement it
Implement
ourselves,
ourselves.
then it is a bit difficult because it requires a lot of discipline, self motivation, self discipline, which is little bit tough, not impossible, right? But happy that
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
able to do that. So let us do an extempore kind of speaking itself. What is the topic? One second, I have not checked.
Uh, like favorite TV shows, serial, that.
Okay, okay. TV. Okay. Are you a fan of watching web series, movies? Um, what do you like to watch more? What do you end up watching more?
Um, Ma'am, actually, I don't like to watch movie lots, but someone says that this movie is helpful for you, then I have to watch. Without any suggestion, I
So you
didn't
are
go
not
with it.
you are not a movie buff. You don't really like to watch movies unless somebody recommends it to you. You can say that unless when somebody recommends or suggests me that this movie is good, and then I like to watch it.
Yes.
Right. So, what was the last movie you watched based on somebody's recommendation? Do you remember which was that movie?
Actually, I didn't able to remember that movie name, but I remember this story
Okay,
and
so
something.
let's do. Huh, okay, no problem. I don't want the name of the movie. Can you speak to me about what the movie was about in a short manner? I don't want the story. The summary. Like, if you tell me that what the movie was about.
Yes, ma'am. I remember one thing that movie was related to research, something research. Like
Mm-hmm.
a scientist, they were researching to something, and there were 20 scientists were there,
Mm-hmm.
and they are searching related to something like discover something. They were discovering something,
Hmm.
but in that case there was one man, and he was uh, what do I do I call, he was mm, what do I call, like
Tell me in
information,
Hindi.
information किसी को देना is spreading and
He's a
like
spy? No.
नो, मतलब जो भी सर्च हो रहा था उसको वो बता दे रहे थे, जबकि ये
He's
सीक्रेट था.
not keeping it a secret. He's revealing the secret to
Oh
somebody.
yes, ma'am. He was there was one man, and he was revealing to secret, to
Revealing the
revealing
huh,
the
secret
secrets,
to someone.
and
Huh.
to someone,
Okay.
and that was the reason they were thinking that how the people had knows, and they have came to disturb here, they had came to disturb them, and one person they were have a great they had great talented, and they start searching who is the person who is revealing the
Uh-huh.
secrets, and uh, at the last they had able to find that person. That was the story, man.
Okay. Okay. So was it an English movie, Hindi movie, what movie?
It was Hindi movie.
Okay, so you don't remember the name of the movie.
Yes. I thought that movie I have watched 2 years
Oh, acha,
back.
2 years ago.
Yes.
After that, you have not watched any movie.
No.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe this.
Because ma'am, I have doing 9 to 5 job, and I'm living alone in
Okay.
another city,
Uh-huh.
and I have to prepare for the student also, and I
Okay.
have studying. I am also, and I have been preparing PCS examination also.
Which examination?
PCS, state PCS. Do you know?
PCS, the state entrance government job, or is it an entrance level
No, no,
examination?
government job.
Government job, right?
PCS, that UPSC, then PCS, state
Huh.
PCS.
State PCS. Huh. Okay.
Yes,
UPSC
then
is at the central level. Huh.
yes.
Oh my goodness, you have your hands full, too much to handle. Plus, since you're staying alone, you might be having household chores, cooking, grocery, all
Yeah.
that. Oh my goodness, how are you managing?
It is too tough, but I am managing. And
Yeah.
nowadays, I am doing exercise for 15 minutes, 20 minutes in morning, because
Okay.
I want to improve my personality also, and
Okay.
I want to give in like I want to pay attention in my health as well.
Oh, yes, yes. Health is
And
most important.
yes, and basically, I'm doing Brahmari and Pranayam.
Okay. So, yoga, you are into yoga.
Yes.
Very nice, but I think your day is really packed from morning till night, and I can now imagine why you are not able to watch any movies or web series.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So, how do you spend your weekends? What do you do on weekends? Do you go out and meet friends? Because some relaxation and fun is necessary, na, for the mind.
Yes, some relaxation is helpful for the mind, but for the relaxation, I'm doing yoga as well. And on Sunday, just I'm not able to go anywhere
Uh-huh.
because on Sunday there are lots of work to clean my clothes, clean
Household,
my
yes.
rooms, and whatever the things. I got only one Sunday
Oh,
for
yes. Oh my God.
for the
Oh,
Sunday for the whole week for to do work.
oh yes. So you don't really go out and catch up with friends or anything. You don't really get the time.
Yeah. But
Hmm.
where I am working in that your organization, every 4 months they had planned one trip with the colleagues
Oh,
also.
very nice.
Yes,
At least that is good relaxation for you. I cannot
yes,
imagine because, oh my God, I need to, step out, meet friends. I am a little bit extrovert that way, so I need to meet people. I need to watch a movie, catch up with my friends, have some fun. So throughout the week, I'm working, yes, mostly online, some offline sessions, but
right.
weekends I need to get out of my house. Right.
Yeah, because I also want to go outside, but nowadays we have friends, but they are also busy on their lives. They are
Uh,
working. They are doing on your job. They also don't have time. That's why
correct. So
we
yeah,
are not.
everybody is busy. So
Yeah,
yeah, right. My goodness.
we
And
are
how
planning to go, but every time we are cancelled. We are make plan, then we will cancel.
oh, that happens with everyone. That happens with my friends as well.
Yeah.
We'll meet one day and everybody will be excited, let's go here and let's travel here and all that. Then nothing happens. No plans. Only at that particular time everybody is excited. But once they go home, back home, it's all forgotten. So no plan.
Yeah.
That happens every time. So how often do you visit your parents?
In festival time.
Only during
Only
festivals.
festival. Yes,
So
during
you
festival.
must have visited them for Diwali.
Yes.
So
And
uh,
yes. And I will go on January.
for
Like,
New Year during the New Year's time. So how
yes.
many days or holiday do you get if you have to? Do you have to take leave from work, or is it easy to take leave and go, or is it
Yes.
difficult to get leave?
No, it is easy to take leave, and they are also providing one or two leave for the festival, and they are providing me CL or PL. And if
Oh,
I have, then I directly applied for it.
okay. So taking leave is not a concern.
Yes.
That's nice. Some companies are very strict with leave policy. They don't, encourage too many leave and yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. So no movies, no web series. You are busy with your life, managing your studies, your daily routine. So what is it that you really enjoy doing as far as your daily routine is concerned? Is it yoga? Is it cooking? What is it as part of your daily routine which you really like to do?
Oh, nowadays as you know, I'm working in communication skill, and I have been watching lots of English conversation,
Mm-hmm.
which YouTubers had already uh, they practice with the English Yari, and I have been following English Yari.
Okay, so a lot of YouTubers who upload the content on YouTube
Yes,
are speaking about that.
yes,
Okay, so whom do you follow?
Twitter or YouTuber. Oh,
YouTuber.
Rajni Verma, do you?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. I remember her. She was an English Shari long ago. And
Yeah.
I remember we had a couple of sessions, and it was very interesting speaking to her. And today I think she is doing really well with her
Yes.
English. She has improved really to a great level, and she is a successful YouTuber, I'm sure. But I
Yes.
remember her, she was on English Shari, and I did
Mm,
have a session. I think two or three sessions I had with her.
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
studying with her also. I'm following every day. I have been like watching her conversation
yeah, yeah,
every day.
yeah. She's
And I
improved.
am noting down every new words which she
Yes,
used.
great,
At-
great.
From every video, I have noted down like 20 words, 25 words, and I start searching the meaning, synonym
Oh,
of word. Try to remember, but it comes to speaking, I can't recall that word.
it happens. It's a common, issue with most learners that they have almost 100 words in their diary or notebook, but when
Yes.
it comes to using it or bringing it into the conversation, that is the most tough and challenging part for them. Take it
Mhm.
one at a time, use one word. You have to practice it, you have to consciously bring it into your conversation at least 10 to 15 times. Only then that word will stick in your mind, otherwise it will
Yeah.
not. It has to be used constantly. You have to try.
Yeah.
It will happen. Yeah, because
Yeah.
we tend to use the same words, because we know the same old word. We always use that same word. We don't
Yes.
consciously replace it with the new word.
Yeah, I'm trying to like I'm working to use co-location.
Collocations, yeah,
Yes.
okay, okay, great. Yeah, that's a great idea, definitely. So, Pushpa, a couple of things. You're speaking well. Your basic sentence structure and English vocabulary is fine. But
Yes.
while you were doing that, speaking, about the movie, like an extempore kind of thing, yes, you were struggling with sentence structure.
Yes.
The framing of the sentences were not proper. Plus, what you said is right, that when it is extempore, you are not able to find the words or the vocabulary at that point of time. Maybe you know it, but you're not able to bring those words at that point of time, right? So
Yes.
it will
Big.
take some practice. Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Because less of practice. Because I'm teaching the rural student, they also not able to speak and understand all the comprehension in English. That's why I'm also Hindi with them. Like I'm using bilingual and less
Yeah,
practice. I'm not able to speak.
no, you're speaking okay. It is just a matter of practice. That's not, it's not bad, but it will need a bit of polishing.
Yes.
And yeah, sentence structure, grammar, and little bit MTI is there. That accent, right? That
Yeah.
also can be
Mother tongue.
mother tongue influence, yes. Right?
Influence.
But it's not really very bad. So it's just a matter of practice. Okay. Couple of things which I want to point out. One was sentence structure, and you are using the ing form of the verb, where you are not, where it is not required. For example, they are, about the company you were saying, they are providing me leave, they are providing me whatever. You don't need to say ing. It's a general statement. They provide me the leave which is required, and they are, because it's a
Okay.
general statement. It's not a continuous present continuous
Yeah.
action.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah. Now
So
I.
be just careful about not
Yes.
using the ing where it is not required. Okay.
Yes.
Uh, they were researching. You were talking about the movie. They were researching to something. Is that sentence correct? Researching to something. Researching on something or about something is the right
Oh,
preposition.
researching about something.
Researching about, because researching to something, you're not going somewhere or to something, right?
Yes.
Research on something or about something. They were, or you can say they were conducting research about something. That's a better way of saying
They were conducting about
it.
research.
Research about whatever, XYZ, whatever.
Yes.
Okay. Researching to something, to is not correct preposition.
Yes.
Then I didn't able to remember.
Oh,
I
I'm
didn't.
unable to remember.
I didn't able to remember is not correct. Unable to remember. I cannot recollect, or I'm unable to remember. Okay.
Yes.
I did. I do not have know any environment.
I don't have.
Huh. So no any environment. Okay. No and any will not go together. That is
Oh, it's
completely
no and any will not go together.
right. You know it, but while speaking, it happens. Mistakes happen.
Yes.
They had great talented.
Oh, they had talented.
They had great talented.
Great and talented both.
That's
They
great.
had talent. Oh,
They
they
had
had
great
great.
talent. When you speak about somebody, you say
Oh, they had talent.
when you say had, they had talent. When
Oh,
you don't have to say had, then you can say he is very talented. There
yes,
is a difference. I can say Pushpa is very talented, or I can say Pushpa has great talent. Talented, talent. There is a difference
talent.
in the usage.
Yes, talent.
Yeah.
Had
So
talent.
that is minor things here and there. Just keep practicing. Just be consistent with your sessions, and whatever you are doing, just continue with it. Whether it is reading, finding new vocabulary, figuring out the meaning, continue with all those activities. You are doing
Yes,
quite well. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
See you then. Yeah. Bye bye.